Let's make some maash ki dal and keema today. Heat up some oil in a pan. Cumin seeds, chopped onion and capsicum. Fry this until golden brown. Once the onion and peppers are golden brown, add ginger garlic. Fry this for about a minute. Once the ginger and garlic have been fried for a minute, add keema. I'm using chicken keema. You can use lamb, mutton, beef, whatever meat you like. Now I'm going to fry this on high heat until the keema is golden brown. Once the keema is brown, it's time to add the spices. A teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili flake, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of salt, fresh black pepper, a teaspoon of vinegar, normal white vinegar. And now I'm going to fry this for 1 minute. How the keema will look in a minute. Chop tomatoes. Just spread the tomatoes. Cover this and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Tomatoes are cooked after 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna roast it for another 5 minutes on high heat. This is the lentil that I will be adding to the keema. This is how it looks. It's called maash ki dal, or you can find it as urad ki dal in all the Asian supermarkets. If you can't find this, you can use any other lentil or beans of your choice. After 5 minutes, you will see all the oil on the sides. This is the time when we add the lentils or dal. I'm gonna add the dal in there. This has been soaked for half an hour in cold water. I'm adding whole red chilies. This is optional. Add some water. Give it a good mix. Don't add too much water. This lentil cooks really quickly, so it's gonna take barely 15 minutes. Put some garam masala on it. Now cover and let this cook for 15 minutes. Dal has fully cooked now. I'm gonna add some chopped coriander in it. Some oil in a pan. Add some green chilies, sliced ginger, a bit of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, little bit of paprika. Now fry this for only a few seconds. Pour this on top of the dal.